Hello guys, welcome back to Indo Drama channel. So guys, recently some development is happening with coronavirus studies. Till now, scientists and World Health Organization claim that COVID-19 is not a airborne disease because according to them, coronavirus not shows any characteristics of airborne disease. But recently, some scientists found that coronavirus is a airborne disease. So guys, if COVID-19 is a airborne disease, then how much dangerous this situation is? How this airborne situation will affect our lifestyle? And how much this statement is differ from the guidelines of World Health Organization? We'll see in this video. Don't skip this video, see the video fully and get all the information of this video. Let's start. Before starting this video, if you're new to this channel, please subscribe it and press the bell icon so that you can get all the notifications of my videos. Recently, more than 200 scientists from different countries wrote a letter to World Health Organization for revising its guideline for COVID-19 and analyze the pandemic deeply. So guys, what is airborne disease? Airborne disease that is caused due to pathogens. Pathogens are like bacteria, virus or any other microorganism that can cause disease. So airborne disease is caused due to pathogens that transmit through air. So air is the medium for pathogens to transmit or spread the disease. This can be caused due to breathing, coughing, talking or sneezing or any other relevant activities which generate aerosol particles or small droplets like fog, mist, etc. More than 200 scientists from 32 nations have written a letter to WHO. In that letter, they mentioned about the evidence for coronavirus is a airborne disease. And according to them, this disease is transmitting through air. Now guys, we will compare World Health Organization statement and this recent statement of scientists. First of all, coronavirus can transmit through droplets. That 100% possible. But for some defined droplet sizes only. The droplet needs to be in a particular size. That time only the COVID-19 can transmit. When the droplet particle size comes under 5 micron to 10 micron in diameter, then it referred to as respiratory droplet. So according to World Health Organization, COVID-19 is transmitting through 5 to 10 micron droplet which is not remain for long time in air, whereas the droplet lesser than 5 micron in diameter can float in air for long time, which are commonly known as aerosol. But according to World Health Organization, coronavirus is not capable of transmitting through aerosol because these droplets are very much small to carry a virus like COVID-19. But according to more than 200 scientists, coronavirus is capable of spreading through aerosol, which size lesser than 5 micron, and this droplet will remain in air for long time. And according to them, this is responsible for spreading of this virus. So guys, if COVID-19 is a airborne disease, then it's a very serious concern because the spread of the airborne disease will increase very much in a shorter period of time. And if it is a airborne disease, then you are not safe in home also. You need to wear mask every time. Only N95 mask is important for aerosol production. Though other kind of masks are like surgical masks, not at all helpful for aerosol production. So guys, recently in India, school colleges is going to open. And in this situation, if it is a airborne disease, then ventilation system in the school, colleges and nursing home may need to minimize to protect from this virus. If air transmitting problem comes, then ultraviolet light will be using to kill this viral particle floating in tiny droplets in air. Right now guys, after the statement of this group of scientists, World Health Organization decided to re-examine the coronavirus characteristics very seriously. In this process, World Health Organization will examine the specific settings in which the virus was found airborne, and again World Health Organization will check the duration for which the virus will stay in air. Generally, World Health Organization is very conservative about airborne disease and strictly recommending hand washing. But after the statement of airborne disease, World Health Organization decided to re-examine the coronavirus characteristics. If this COVID-19 is not an airborne disease, then activities will be continued normally in commercial sectors. But if COVID-19 is an airborne disease, then definitely the day-to-day activities will definitely going to change. As concerned to school colleges will get a very big impact but right now it is not confirmed. Experiments going on. Any updates regarding this definitely will get in this channel. For that, you need to subscribe the channel, share to your friends. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video.